Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab in easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, move the background color, select a sticker, save the shape and sticker, save the photo and sticker, select the erase color, back color white, to back the photo, save the sticker and photo. Duplicate the sticker, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.